Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to stop talkback on Poco phone. Friends, you want to stop talkback on your Poco phone, so how to stop talkback today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, now let's see how to stop talkback. So friends, you have on your talkback and you want to stop. So friends, you will have to scroll your two finger. You will have to friends two finger. Then friends, you can stop talkback, because guys one finger if you use friends you cannot operate your phone. So when you use your two finger and friends click on phone setting. One tap on phone setting. Friends continue to tap on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. Friends, click on any setting and friends scroll it with two finger guys. Any two finger friends you can use, but guys use two finger. One finger friends we cannot scroll and swipe. So guys we will scroll with two finger. Additional setting friends, click on additional setting and get direct. You can double tap here. Setting do not on. So friends double tap with one finger. Friends scroll with two finger. Accessibility setting is one finger tap here, continue to tap. Friends, click on vision setting and friends direct you can swipe also and double tap here. Talkback guys one tap, double tap here. Use talkback friends one tap here and friends double tap. Stop button friends tap here, double tap here. Talkback will stop and friends now you can use your Oppo. Oh guys, sorry guys, Poco phone without any talkback setting. Talkback will stop. So like that guys, we can stop talkback any Poco phone and friends any Android phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye. Before going guys, please go and like the video and subscribe the channel.